Got another one for you today. Toyota Camry. Got a 2020 Toyota Camry. Got in a sandwich accident. Front and rear end. On the back. Got hit up high. Oh, got the bumper too, yeah. Tail light. Alright. Anyways. Started work a little early today. Around 4:30 in the morning. Holy. Got some fucking ants running around in here. Jesus Christ. Fucking all over me now. Alright. Snap-on guy comes today. See how much more money he can steal from me. See how that goes. 410s on the top. Got a couple clips. God damn. Clip, 2 clip. Just like that. Top is loose, and then you got your radar connection over here. This one's already loose because of the fucking accident, so I'm just gonna lift up the tab, and this end is this end is loose, ready to go. And then come over here. Side's gonna have its little clip. Take it out just like that. Alright. And if we come on the bottom, just a bunch of 10 millimeters across the whole bottom. Holding it in. It's raining today, so you know, makes it very nice to work on cars. They're all wet. You know, just love that. Okay, this side's loose, and then all we got left now is the screws, bottom middle. 1, 2, 3, and then should be ready to go. Front bumper's off. Alright. Rear end. Stupid covers. That's one. Okay. Starting with the rear bumper first. Tail lights. And I gotta do the fucking lift gate. Should be one more over here. Now, you just fucking pull this bitch right off, just like that. Boom. Now we got both bumpers off. Alright, let's take this off. Let's get to this connection for the tail lamp. Just like that. You're gonna pop the rubber through. Yeah, pull it through. Don't matter. Just like that. Connection will come with it. Tail lights out. Alright, took the absorber off, had damage in the middle, and pushed the impact bar in. Right here, you can see it. And then it shipped the paint right here on the bracket. So I'm going to remove the impact bar, make sure there's no more damage behind it. It's three more. Bottom section's done. Now onto trunk lid. Trunk lids on these Toyotas are easy. Just a bunch of clips and 10 millimeters. I'll take the cover off. Bunch of clips, pull out the middle, come out right out. Alright. Just like that. Shield it. Come right off. Take the tail lights out. 10 millimeters. Just that. 3 nuts. Take out the connection. Just give it a little push, shove, come right out. Just like that. Take off this other side. Oh fuck. This out of the way. That was easier than I thought it would be. Okay. See the other tail light? There it is. Okay. Take off this under part, undercover. And then it'll have one screw, 2 screws. Just like that. Then it'll come off. Anyways, gotta take the buttons, lights. Damn it. Doesn't want to come. There we go. Come to dad. There we go. That's one. Customer have them? Maybe the customer has them. 2. Alright, just like that. It's all torn down. Front end, took the bumper off. Rear end, got it all torn down.